monitor the conduct of our colleagues. Ungathuli nje uma ngabe ucolleague wakho enza okubi eskulini. Why do you keep quiet? Because the very same conduct doesn't only reflect badly on the perpetrator, but it paints all of us with the same brush. Furthermore, as healthcare professionals, let us be mindful of how we cope with the pressures of the job. Asehlise notshwaleni bafowethu. Ngiyahleba manje ngezela ukuthi abazali bangezwe. Alcohol abuse is a problem. Alcohol abuse is a problem within the sector. Please. And asithi abantu abangaphuza ngiyangizwa abazali abangizwa. Asithi abantu abangaphuza. Kodwa let's not abuse alcohol. Because that then impacts empilweni zethu moving forward. You never know when you are going to be addicted. And some become addicted and come to work drunk. And when you come to work drunk, we are going to have to act on it. We will forget everything that we did today. We will forget the excitement and the happiness that we had today. Now, we will have to act. And all the 3 years that you suffered and you worked for will be for nothing. Asehlise nophuzo enodakayo bakwethu.